We all feel it, right? That constant pressure to do more, to get more done. But what if the key wasn't just working harder, but working a whole lot smarter? Today, we're going to break down how a powerful AI tool is moving from a cool curiosity to an absolutely essential business asset, and what that really means for you and your productivity.
So let's just start with a number that might surprise you, 69%. That's the percentage of consumers who already prefer using chatbots for quick chats with businesses. Now, this isn't some forecast for the future, this is right now. The expectation for instant, intelligent answers, well, that's the new normal.
And when you see a number like that, it leads to a pretty big question for any leader. How prepared is my organization, really, to meet this new standard? Because in today's world, adapting isn't just about getting an edge, it's about staying in the game. This really speaks to a challenge I think we all face. You could call it the productivity paradox. There's this relentless push to be more efficient, more creative, to deliver more value, but usually with the same budget and the same number of people. Sound familiar? I mean, every single day, leaders are expected to sort through huge amounts of data, guide their teams, and make sharp, strategic calls at a pace that just keeps getting faster. It's pretty clear the old ways of working are starting to crack under the pressure. And right into this high-pressure cooker comes AI. Let's be real, it's probably the biggest disruption to the workplace in a generation. For some, that feels uncertain, a little scary even. But for forward-thinking folks, they see it for what it is, the most powerful toolkit they've ever been handed. And that presents every leader with a choice, a real fork in the road. You can see AI as a threat, something that's going to make jobs obsolete, or you can embrace it as a way to amplify your own impact. What does it actually look like? Well, it means using AI to automate the boring, repetitive stuff, freeing you up for big picture strategy. It means finding insights in your data that you never would have seen before. So, okay, enough about the problem. Let's talk solutions. Harnessing the power of AI doesn't mean you need to become a coding genius overnight. Not at all. It's about understanding how to use this tool to gain a real strategic advantage and unlock what your team is truly capable of. And this is exactly where a program like ChatGPT Unlocked comes into play. Look, this is not a boring theoretical lecture. It's a practical, hands-on training program. It's built specifically to take AI from being this fuzzy, abstract idea and turn it into a concrete tool you can use every single day as a leader. The whole goal here is to get you ready to find new business opportunities and build a real, lasting competitive edge. We're talking about moving beyond just doing things faster. We're talking about discovering fundamentally new and better ways of getting work done. And of course, a huge piece of this is positioning yourself and your company for what's next. In a tech world that's moving this fast, you want to be ahead of the curve, not constantly trying to catch up. It's about understanding the breakthroughs that are shaping the future, right now. And what you walk away with is super tangible. You're not just going to understand AI's potential, you'll learn how to actually apply it. Think about automating those weekly summary reports, or using AI to scan all your customer feedback for major themes. You can even use it to draft clearer, more effective messages for your team. Real-world skills. All right, let's pull back the curtain and take a look inside the program. You can think of this as your game plan for going from just being aware of AI to actually mastering it. The whole thing is designed to build logically. Day one is all about getting a solid foundation, the what and the why of ChatGPT, and the basics of how to prompt it effectively. Then day two, that's where the rubber meets the road. We get into practical applications, advanced techniques, and hands-on exercises based on real business challenges. And what's great is that these skills aren't just for one department. They have a massive reach. You could be using them to streamline your management tasks, brainstorm new marketing ideas, help HR write better job descriptions, or even get your finance team to summarize complex data. It's a versatile toolkit for your entire business. So when you boil it all down, your learning journey is pretty straightforward. First, you really nail the fundamentals. Second, you master the art of effective prompting, which is honestly the secret sauce. It's all about learning to ask the right questions. And finally, step 3, you apply that skill to the real challenges you face at work every single day. And this brings us to a really crucial point. Learning all this is about so much more than just adding a new skill to your LinkedIn profile. It's about defining your role in this next chapter of work. It's about stepping up to become a leader in the age of AI. There's a quote making the rounds that just perfectly captures this moment. It starts with this line, AI will not replace you. A person using AI will. And that just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? It highlights this powerful truth. The real advantage isn't in the technology itself. It belongs to the people who know how to use it. So the final question really is for you. The tools are here. The opportunity is now. The ability to shape the future of your team, of your company's productivity, it is literally in your hands. So are you ready to be the one who leads the charge?